Hello and welcome to your own channel GeoStars. Today I am here with you all to share the success journey of GeoStars channel which started on 1st April 2020. Today, in a year, GeoStars channel has become a big family with 2.13k subscribers. So stay with us to see the interesting journey of GeoStars channel which is nothing without you all. So let's start and be with us. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, and also if not subscribed, do subscribe the channel by pressing bell button for further notification. So let's go. This GeoStars channel was registered on 1st April 2020 when I felt that I should come up with my knowledge so that students and different aspirants preparing for different government jobs could be helped. क्योंकि विद्यादान से बड़ा कोई दान नहीं होता। शिक्षा की जड़ें भले ही कड़वी हों, परंतु इसका फल सदैव मीठा होता है। On April 3rd, 2020, I posted my first video on cyclone, where I received lot of love and likes from the viewers. As environment is my specialization, so after that I posted 11 videos back to back on environment and disaster management. So after cyclone, forest fire, drought, flood, global warming, earth forces earthquake, causes effect and management, tsunami, deforestation, desertification, mass wasting, landslide, all these videos were related to environment and disaster management. After this, to understand basics of geography, posted video on fundamental of geography. To gain in-depth knowledge, posted video on locational setting of India, China and Australia, which proved to be a great help for students of class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th and also graduate students. Geography is a multi-dimensional discipline which is incomplete without the study of maps and practical. So posted 4 videos on practical geography, that is maps, methods of relief prediction, slope types and relief presentation through contours and cartographic symbols. I belong to Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. So now I felt that it is my duty, being a geographer, to acquaint people, society and students about our state Uttar Pradesh. So uploaded 3 videos on Uttar Pradesh, geography of Uttar Pradesh, facts of Uttar Pradesh, cultural tradition, tourism, education and custom. And from now here I added quiz also so that students can evaluate themselves. Geography of places in this series, then uploaded journey of Sundarban, which had 100 slides with only pictures to give the viewers the feeling of visit to Sundarban. Then discussed Asia, then Africa continent. NCERT creates a base for all the students, not only of that particular class, but also for the students for preparing for competitive exam. I uploaded 3 videos of NCERT class 8 back to back, resource and development, land, soil, water, vegetation and agriculture. Discussed about Big Bang theory and also discussed about great conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn on December 2020. I realized that only posting videos was not sufficient. I had to interact with the students and the viewers so as to solve their problems and queries related to their career and job. And so I started live sessions and also organized international and national webinars and lectures where GeoStars channel acted as an intermediate channel between the viewers and the experts. With this motive, I conducted an international webinar on future trends and career opportunity in remote sensing and GIS, whose keynote speaker was Mehboob Sahana, Associate School of Environment Education and Development of Manchester, UK. On 26-27 December, conducted 2-day live session on Life Beyond Earth, On 30th January 2021, lecture on global environmental challenges, health and diseases. On 31st January, one-day lecture on Kickstart Your Smart Career with 21st Century Skills. On 27th and 28th Feb, two-day session on learning quick ways to achieve goals in competitive era. On 5th March 2021, hosted national workshop on strategy of managing personal finances, including mutual funds during and after COVID-19. Discussed important questions with answers on fundamental of geography, geography of world, human geography, India geography, and economic geography. Also conducted live session how to fill Google form, upload answers during exam, and how to make a Google form. Uploaded video on important days like National Women's Day, International Water Day, International Forest Day, and Rajasthan Day. Then started 3 questions series on community post, which is now posted after every 3 days. From this community post, I received an overwhelming response, so started another initiative, posted 10 MCQ questions on every Friday for competitive exam preparation. In this whole journey, I received lot of love and affection. Many students send me videos expressing their love through lovely shots, which are as follows. This journey was not easy for me, as I was not techno-savvy, but the thought to help the students and provide guidance always motivated me. My inner universe, supreme powers, blessings of my parents always helped me to work tirelessly and with immense zeal. In this whole journey, I received lot of love from all the nooks and corners of not only people residing in India but also from all over the world. I want to thank all the viewers and subscribers of GeoStar channel, where Geo means geography and star means my beautiful viewers who will sparkle like stars with their own light like the star sun. I would like to thank my family also, who was always there for me. And after completion of 1 year, I have received so many blessings from renowned dignitaries all over the world, which I will be sharing with you all every day. I hope you enjoyed the GeoStar's journey. Looking ahead for lots of love and blessings. Those who have not hit the like button, do like, and if not subscribed, do subscribe for further notification. At the end, I would say, न किस्सों में न हिस्सों में, न किस्सों में न हिस्सों में, जिंदगी की खूबसूरती तो है रिश्तों में. इन्हें बनाए रखिए. With this, thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye.